Hello, it's Jay here and welcome to another tutorial. We're still continuing on with the flashlight script, and in this lesson we're going to work on setting our flashlight to either low or high intensity. Now I'm going to come here, still inside the void update. Now I'll just make one thing clear for now, that I'm actually going to put everything in the void update for now, and I'm probably going to do one single lesson where we actually move things out of the void update into separate functions. So it'll be one lesson just on optimizing the script. So we're just going to put it in the void update for now, but the way to optimize it will be coming later. So first things first, we need to say if open brackets input, and we want dot get mouse button, and we'll open brackets 1 and close, double ands, and we'll say underscore flashlight dot enabled double equals true. And we can close the brackets, we'll open and we'll close there. So let's put this into comments. So we'll say if we hold the mouse button and the flashlight is enabled. So I'm showing you two ways here. I've shown you this way, in which we created a button within the Unity inspector and then accessed it. And here we're accessing the button directly. Now this way is probably the best way of doing it, but I wanted to show you two different ways of accessing buttons within this tutorial. So you can go ahead and experiment and switch these out as you wish. So for now, if the flashlight's enabled and we're holding down the right mouse button, we want the intensity to be high. So we'll say flashlight dot intensity is going to be equal to our high power intensity. And we'll close the line off, we'll put it into comments. So we'll say set flashlight intensity to high. And we just need to go through and do this for each one. So flashlight dot, and this time it's going to be of type spot angle, and it's going to be equal to our high power spot angle. Close the line off, into the comments. So we'll say set flashlight spot angle to high, and the last one flashlight dot range, and this time it's going to be equal to our high power range. And again we can just close the line off, into the comments, and we'll say set flashlight range to high. And I'll just fix that little typo there. And then we'll come here and we'll say else, and we'll open brackets and we'll close again. And we're going to do the exact same thing, only this time we're going to set everything to low power. So we'll change out the variables. So we want low power intensity, low power spot angle, and low power range. And I'll just bring the comments back in line, and we'll just swap out the comments. So low here and low again. I will just save that. So here's our switch to turn the flashlight on and off. if we're holding the mouse button while the flashlight is enabled, then we set everything to high powered. Else, if we're not holding the mouse button but the flashlight is still enabled, then it will just be set to low. And as I said, you can swap these functions out as you see fit, but I just wanted to show you two ways within this tutorial. So we'll downsize this for now and we'll go and test it out. So we'll hit start, and it may just take a moment. There we go. We'll turn our flashlight on and off, and then we'll come somewhere here. We'll turn our flashlight on and we'll hit the right mouse button, and as you can see, when I'm holding it, it swaps to a high powered beam. The range increases, the intensity goes up, but the angle narrows. And let's just go ahead and we'll look in the inspector. So you should be able to see it here, 20, 40 and 3, and if I hit the right mouse button, hold it down, there we go, we swapped from 30 to 20 to 6. And I still may go ahead and adjust these values, so you will have to too till it suits your project, but we'll just stop it there for now and we'll leave it here for this video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, bye for now.